if you're looking for the best workout that will help you lose belly fat amazingly fast. These two exercises work well, and they have personally given me unexpected results. It means that they are great for weight loss too. Ask me. I'll say they are way so underrated. They seem common and easy, but my advice? Don't underestimate them. Number 1. Jumping jacks. This exercise is one of the most common exercises. And as common as it is, it's mostly not being considered as sufficient or effective enough. Most people treat it like a tiny piece of a whole. My thought? It's a game changer. This single exercise puts your body in fat-burning mode for longer hours. Best tactic: start your day with it. Start with 50 jumping jacks daily, and you're for a week. Then proceed to 100 or even more in subsequent weeks. You'll start seeing results in only 7 days. If you can do this morning and night, excellent. Number 2. Crunches. Either you're doing it with or without a chair. Crunches get your heart rate up and work your arms, belly, and abdominal muscles. It's one of the best workouts you should do. To lose both belly and full body fat, like this video and subscribe to my channel for fitness tips. That will save your time.